What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick video update on my motorcycle. I've been working on it a little bit. So I just got this exhaust for it, which I got this on Amazon. I had to buy the muffler and the mid-pipe separately. But yeah, I got that exhaust on there. So it had that like MotoGP style, just had a tip that was just dumped out right here. And come to find out, it wasn't right for the bike, and somebody had welded another pipe in there to space it out. So I had to grind on it quite a bit, but I got it to work. I do have a really small exhaust leak down here, but it'll be all right. So it sounds way better than it did. It was just so loud. I'll start it up for you guys. So much quieter, and it's still, you know, if you rev it up, it's still plenty loud, which, you know, I don't want it to be too quiet. You know, loud pipes save lives, you know, but now I can ride this thing around and not make my ears bleed. So I'm pretty happy with this exhaust. So a few other things that I did to it, I went around and I replaced a bunch of bolts, like you know, all the fairings were held on with some bolts that were real grimy looking. You know, these bolts here had a bunch of rust on them, so I put nice new bolts in there. There was also some missing bolts and screws and stuff on the fairings, so you know, I got everything bolted up nice and snug. So one thing that I had some trouble with, which I just figured out, was I would have a lot of trouble getting it into neutral and sometimes getting it into first. And you know, I didn't know what was up with it. Like I adjusted the linkage, you know, and that didn't help. And I was looking at it, and right here where it attaches to the engine, it had a wood screw right there. And so this had a ton of play, and I just put a 10mm bolt in there. So I don't know what's wrong with people, guys. I don't know why someone can't just, like, they lose a bolt, just go buy a bolt. You know, 10mm bolts are not rare. Do not put a wood screw in there, because then your bike will not shift very well. You know, there was also a wood screw here, and so this was all flopping around. It's like, guys, just go buy a bolt. But, you know, whatever. It's fixed now, so it shifts a lot better. It's a lot quieter. The fairings are not missing a bunch of screws and bolts. So this thing's getting better and better. I've also been getting a lot better at riding it. So, you know, it's been a while. I had a Ninja 250 several years ago. Didn't have it very long. So, you know, I had to get used to this thing again, or get used to riding again. And, you know, I'm feeling a lot more comfortable and a lot more comfortable on it. It's running real good. You know, it's got the new exhaust. I just changed the oil today. I fixed the shift linkage today. So, yeah, I'm real happy with this, guys. I haven't really thought a whole lot about mods for it. You know, I really like that it's a Repsol, and so I'll probably leave it alone mostly. I've got the exhaust. I don't know. It's got nice handles on it, or, you know, whatever you call these levers. Those are pretty nice. You know, maybe I'll get one of those protectors right here, one of those carbon fiber ones. But, you know, other than that, you know, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh, one thing that's pretty cool that you can buy is you can buy like a fiberglass piece right here that takes place of this rear seat. And you know, you can buy a Repsol one, so it'll say, you know, Repsol right there. It'll be orange, so that'll give you a little bit of more storage, which would be nice. So I might do that, but I don't know, that's low on my priority list. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys like my new exhaust as much as I do. I love it. I think it looks cool. I think it sounds good. And yeah, it seems to be pretty good quality. I like these springs. It's got some nice looking welds on it. So, I don't know, I'm happy with it. I have the silencer in it still. So, I don't know, I might mess around with taking that out, see what it sounds like, but I like it right now. It's not too loud, sounds good, looks good. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. So, that's it, guys. Thanks.